Riding is freedom, the open road, the wind in your face, the thrill of the ride. But turbulence? That wasn't part of the dream. The head-shaking, chest-pounding gusts that kick in just when the ride gets good, that's where the Wunderlich FlowJet comes in. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a wind-cheating solution designed to dial back the chaos and crank up the comfort, all while keeping your bike looking fast, even when it's parked. Each FlowJet is crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, the same durable, lightweight plastic that is used in performance vehicles. It's scratch-resistant and fade-proof, and built to take whatever the road throws at it: sun, wind, rain, and miles of adventure. And it's not just tough, it's stylish. Choose from classic black, sleek gloss black, sharp white, or our eye-catching trophy edition for a pop of color that turns heads. No matter your bike's setup, there's a FlowJet that fits your style. Thanks to its aerodynamic shape, the FlowJet channels airflow around you smoothly, reducing buffeting and wind noise without sacrificing that aggressive, sporty look. At 11.45 by 10.28 inches, it gives you just the right amount of wind protection, enough to fight fatigue, but still keeping that raw, connected to the road feelings that riders love. Installation couldn't be easier. Every FlowJet comes as a complete kit with all the hardware included, no drilling, no modifications, just bolt it on and you're ready to ride. Compact enough to keep your bike looking sharp, smart enough to give you real wind relief, and stylish enough that your buddies will ask, "Where'd you get that?" Whether you're commuting through the city or carving back roads, the Wunderlich FlowJet helps you ride longer, stronger, and in total comfort. Say goodbye to turbulence and hello to smoother, more stylish riding. Find your FlowJet now at wunderlichamerica.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more ride-ready upgrades from Wunderlich America. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out there.